What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a number guesser game on Java. I'm a beginner myself, but I just thought that I guess, upload and share this video for other beginners. I guess I don't know. I thought it'd be helpful. So let's get this started. So first, we need user input in order for this game to collect our information. So we need that, and then we also do need like a randomizer, or I guess like or randomly just generates the numbers and mixes it. So to get the user input, we would just basically do is import java.util.scanner semicolon. Yep. It's kind of like just like Python if you think about it with libraries, but it's kind of weird. Next thing is the random module. All right, so it would be java util.random. Okay, we have that. And then we can do public static void. String, then arg, I think, right? Do we have to not put it? We don't have to put a comma, right? Okay, no, we don't. I thought we did. All right. So then let's get started with the variables first. So what we would need first, let's see. We would pretty much need, I think, around 2 to 3 variables that would contribute to this program. We would first need to set a random variable. So something like this. Random number, new random. Or was it? I think it was new random. Or new number? No, random. Oh, I forgot the little these right here. That's why. Okay. So you need random number, that's a new variable, as new random. There you go. So we have that set up. And then we want to specifically set it as an integer, like based random, because this could be anything. So we need to set that up. You have to do this integer int as an integer, and just like, I guess, secret number. We have that. So then we set this into this. So it would be dot number dot next integer 100 to 1. Here, I think I forgot to capitalize this. There we go. So what this pretty much means is the integer of secret number is placed as number dot next integer from 100 plus 1. And the reason why we have plus 1 here is because it's kind of like here, how do I say this? It's kind of like an index. I'm not too sure with my definition here, but I'm just gonna say that's like kind of like an index. You know how like Python starts with zero based indexing. This is just to ensure that we get to 1 to 100 on this. Okay, so if we want this program to keep going, we would have to use a while loop. But for this tutorial, I'm just not gonna do that, just to make things much more simple. Maybe I can make a video based on while loops and all that for Java, but it's really not that hard to learn about. You guys should be able to do it by yourself, unless you have like a really short attention span. Then I don't know, maybe not. Okay. So what we need to do is scanner from the module right here. Scanner, just you can just say user input, or I guess just to make much more sense, user guess. And then we can say new user guess dot, oh no, not dot, sorry, system dot in. There we go. Or new scanner, sorry guys. It's capitalized. Yeah, it is. All right, yeah. New scanner. That's the variable. All right, next up, we would make the second variable that connects with the scanner, or I guess user input if you want to say. We use integer because if we use string, it's not going to really work since we're trying to guess a number, not guess a string. So then we would do user input. So then we would do user guess dot find or not find next int as an integer. There we go. So we have that. And then now we're gonna get into the if else statements. These ones aren't that bad. It's just similar to Python. But it's kind of funky looking, I would say, but it works as the same logic regardless. So let's get this started. We're gonna start with the basic starter sentence, or I guess a starting statement. If, and then we gotta be careful here. Make sure we're only selecting the integer variables and not the other variables, because we're comparing numbers here. We're not comparing strings or I guess inputs. This wouldn't make any sense. So we have if user input equals secret number, then we would declare that the user got it right by printing it out in the terminal. You got, oh shoot, you got it correct. And then what if, or else if, get it? What if the user guessed a number higher? We would just say if user input is higher or greater than secret number, then we would say your guess is too high. And then we can end this off with an else or else if. We can say else just to make this easier. We can say else system dot out dot print. Oh shoot, I cannot type. Your guess is too low. And then make sure to always close this up. I think it was no. It's the scanner name. User guess. That close. There we go. And yeah, let's test this out. Okay, so we got everything done here. I wouldn't say it's fully finished, but the functionality is technically done. So let's test this thing out. So let's see. I'm probably gonna guess 67. See, and then it would say your guess is too high, and then we can't type anymore because we didn't put this in a while loop. And yeah, that's about it on how to make a number guesser program in Java. You can implement it with a while loop. I'm not gonna show that for today. I need you guys to turn on your power brains to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics. It uses if else statements, inputs, it gives an output, and then just a random module as well. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.